Welcome to another amazing tutorial. As you are about to find out on how I earn $300 per articles writing for the websites I am about to share with you. I will also be showing you how to contact and apply with them and also their rules, with what they want from you as a writer. I will also give you method on how to pitch them and get your articles approved in a simple way. Before I continue, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment on the comment section about the video, and don't forget to click on the notification button, so you will be alerted when we upload new videos. Number 2, Air Canada enRoute Magazine. Air Canada enRoute is a travel magazine with a Canadian perspective that speaks to an international readership. The magazine is read by over 1 million travelers a month, and can be found in the seat pockets of Air Canada aircraft, and in Maple Leaf lounges and select Star Alliance lounges around the world. It is also distributed at more than 100 upscale outlets across Canada, hotels, boutiques, health clubs, restaurants, and lounges. They are a source for the on-the-go, global reader of up-to-the-minute and thought-provoking information, on everything from wine and design to popular science and pop music. Think of Air Canada enRoute as a trusted friend who enthusiastically shares those travel finds they all collect along the way. You should know more about the world and be inspired to travel after picking up an issue. Air Canada enRoute commissions stories that focus on everything from food and drink, design and architecture to style, arts and culture, technology, social trends, and sports, all told through the lens of travel. How do you pitch them? Before you pitch, read some back issues so you can tell them which section or department you're targeting. Outline your story idea and your approach, writing your pitch in the same tone that you're proposing for your piece. Please make it specific, with a strong sense of place rather than a travel guide style roundup of attractions, restaurants, shopping, hotels, etc. Why should enRoute publish your story? Why should you write it? Does it teach us something new or surprising about a place? And why is this story relevant now? A few important factors to keep in mind: the location you pitch should be an Air Canada destination or on a Star Alliance route. Time-sensitive events, such as festivals, don't work with their longer lead times. Your pitch needs to fit on one printed page. If you're attaching a Word document, please paste the content in the body of the email as well. We ask that you limit your queries to 2 pitches per email and 1 email per month. Please send your ideas to one editor only. They do not accept unsolicited manuscripts or writing on spec. Short features. These pieces aim to get beneath the surface of a place. They are a close look at a unique happening in a specific corner of the world, the German cuisine invasion in New York, for example, or a snapshot of a place that captures a travel moment, such as a love letter to Tucson's Hotel Congress. Please note that these stories should be based on first-hand experiences you've recently had. 200 to 550 words. You can send an email editorial queries to pitch@aircanadaenroute.com. Number 3, Barefoot Writer Magazine. Barefoot Writer Magazine is committed to helping you learn to make money, work from home, and land freelance writing jobs to achieve your dream writer's life. Here's just some of what they're committed to. They show writers the writing opportunities that are hot right now. They connect writers to experts in the world of writing. They help writers pursue paid writing in a way that suits their goals. The quickest way to get there is to join their Barefoot Writer Club, a club designed to support up-and-coming writers. Their writers get priceless community support, tips on how to grow a profitable writing business, and shortcuts into making money working from home. Club members also get a subscription to their celebrated monthly magazine, Barefoot Writer. They publish regular content in Barefoot Writer Magazine as well as here on their website. Please listen to the guidelines that I will give to you and out what they're looking for. For your information, they receive dozens of pitches every week and cannot respond to all of them. If you haven't heard from them 2 weeks after submitting your pitch, please feel free to submit that idea to another publication. Most important, know and understand their audience. Their readership includes men and women of all ages, from all over the world, who want to earn money from their writing. They may be just starting their working life, transitioning to a new career, or retired and looking for a fun way to supplement their income. Many of their writers earn a full-time income through their writing. Others write part-time either for fun or profit, and still others are in the process of transitioning their way out of a day job to a career in writing that they want to learn about the world of writing, including how to pick a writing opportunity that's ideal for them, improve their writing, build a strong freelance business, connect with clients or write for their own businesses, and get more work done in less time, all so they can enjoy life. The Barefoot Writer editorial lineup includes, Number 1, Monthly Motivator, 600 to 800 words, is a department filled with articles that should inspire their readers to keep writing and pursue their goals. These articles often provide enthusiastic examples of how to make money, work from home, and enjoy it. Number 2, Productivity Secrets, 400 to 600 words, help their readers get more done in less time, so they can increase their income and have more leisure time to enjoy the writer's life. Number 3, Cool Tools, 400 to 600 words, are short articles about useful software, hardware, and other gadgets that will help readers like you to write, work, and land more freelance writing jobs so you can build toward long-term writing success. Number 4, Thinking Like a Writer, 700 to 900 words, teaches their readers how to start or grow their writing or freelance careers. These articles include topics like selecting the right niche, leveraging your network, creative ways to market your writing services, and tips on how to make money as a freelance writer. Number 5, Become a Better Writer, 700 to 900 words, is about improving their readers' writing skills. This department covers a wide range of topics, including mental exercises, writing exercises, and useful skills for professionals in the communication industry. Number 6, Glicken, 600 to 800 words, is a personal essay with photos on how your writing helped you get a little something extra out of life. Whether you used your skills to land a travel upgrade, resolve a problem, help a friend or charity, or something else, they would love to hear about it. Pay enRoute. If you get a published magazine article, they pay $100 to $300 for published articles with the fee depending on the assignment. Once published, they own all rights to the article. Important. Before you get in touch with them, get to know their style. If you're a Barefoot Writer Club member, read through several back issues to get a feel for their voice. Go through the content on their website before sending an article or pitching an idea. When you are familiar with their style, you can send article ideas to their editor at queries@thebarefootwriter.com. Thank you for watching this video. For more upcoming videos on how to make money online, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button and notification button. See you on my next video.